our events in the Senate anytime. On that note, nagulat lang ako kasi maayos naman. Sabi ko doon sa ating resource person, halika na, sinusundo ko kayo, let's go in. Nagulat na lang ako na nakita ko doon si Secretary John Vic Remulla. Tinaharang ako. I never thought the day would come that somebody would prevent me from entering the Senate. This is my office. Again, thank you. Di ko rin nakalain na yung Senate staff, yung media, dahil nasama na kayo doon, kayo pang nakatulong na makarating ako dito sa hearing na to. This is the Senate. This is the halls of democracy. We will hold our hearing and we will continue. So hindi na ho akong papaligoy-ligoy. Good morning again po sa inyong lahat.